Alright, so this is page 4 of your public service announcement planning template. This is the rest of page 3 for you to put your information about your pictures. And now it's time for you to organize your content. Now that you've collected the source material for your public service announcement, you're ready to begin to organize your content and your images into an influential final product. Remember that persuasive videos will often include short groupings of similar facts or images followed by catchphrases that are repeated throughout the video. Also remember that the 2-minute video will require about 20 scenes, facts, statistics, images, quotations, and catchphrases. I would like you to not go over 2 minutes. 2 minutes is plenty of time. I'd like you to keep it between really 45 seconds to a minute and a half if possible. Here's where you come up with your scenes. The facts, statistics, opinions, quotations, or images that you plan to use in your presentation. So these are your scenes. Okay? Think back to the scenes that we saw in the PSA that had to do with the children exercising. You had a scene with a pie chart, and you had a scene with a line graph, and you had a scene where the kids were laying down, and then you had a scene where they threw out a ball. So you had different scenes. Special actions or effects. Do you plan to use transition between slides? What about different font colors, capital letters? So this really makes you have to think about what's it going to look like. The average American makes $42,000 per year, but what does that look like? This says capitalize 42,000, which I'm not 100% sure how you capitalize a number. And obviously this should be a comma, just one comma. Make 42,000 larger than the other fonts, make it a different color. So here's where you go through your scenes, what it's going to look like, and then you go through and make it look that way. The average Zimbabwean makes $200 per year. Capitalize $200, make 200 larger than the other fonts. Use yellow for 200 and white for all the rest. How are you going to make it stand out? Remember, these are the nonverbal cues that you get from your presentation, okay?